What you're about to witness is a high-stakes ballet performed hundreds of feet in the air. This is the world of a high-voltage lineman, where every move is a calculated risk and teamwork is everything. The task today? Installing a massive glass insulator string. First, the lineman is hoisted into position on a specialized platform suspended by a pulley system. He's about to become part of the equipment itself. With the lineman now secured to the insulator string, the entire assembly begins its slow, deliberate journey. Guided by the ground crew and the team on the tower, he is carefully pulled across the high-tension lines. As he reaches the tower, the team works in perfect unison. One lineman steadies the line from above, while our hero expertly navigates the massive insulator string, crawling along its surface to secure it into its final position on the tower arm. A breathtaking display of skill, courage, and precision engineering. The unsung heroes of the power grid, ensuring our world stays connected.